The sum of three numbers is 240 if they exceed by 10 from their previous number. Find the numbers. The sum of three numbers is 240. If they exceed by 10 from their previous number, find the numbers. Solution will be let the first number be x, second number will be x plus 10, third number will be x plus 10 plus 10, since they differ by 10 from each other. So according to the relation by the question, x plus 10 plus x plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 240. This is our first number, this is the second number, and it is our third number. The sum is 240. So now we will handle it. It is x plus x is 3x plus 30, 10 plus 10 and 10 is 30. It is equal to 240. So now it is 3x equal to 240 minus 30, which is 210. So now 3x is equal to 210, which is over 3, which is 70. So the first number is 70. Second number is x plus 10, that means 80. This is the second number. Similarly, third number will be x plus 10 plus 10, which is equal to 90. So these are the three numbers. It is our answer. These are the three numbers.